Today we're going to talk about checkerboard with a 4-digit multiplier with the copy partial product process. Alright, I already set up the problem. This is your multiplicand, sits at the bottom. This is your multiplier, sits on the side. Remember, this is your unit. Number 6 is your unit, and we started from the unit square. Goes like this way. This, number 3, is your unit for the multiplier. Also started from this unit square. So your number grows up like this way. Alright, let's start it. Alright, now I have all my partial product ready, so I'm going to start to copy down all my partial product. Started from the bottom row. Remember, that is where I started from the bottom row. That is my unit square. And where is my unit? Up over here. Remember, this is your unit place. So I'm going to use the blue marker to represent my partial product. That number 8 is where I'm going to write down first. Followed by the next number, 6. Go this way. Alright, I finished my first row. I'm going to do my second row, which will be copied down underneath, will be over here. Remember, from the previous lesson, look at the square color. It is blue. What does that remind you? It's the tens. If that is started from the tens, what does that tell you? Do you have units for your second row? No, I don't have a unit for my second row because my second row started from a tens. Therefore, I need to put a 0 in your unit place to hold the space. This is where my tens place is, so I need to start to copy this 6 under my tens place, right over here. Alright, I finished my second row. Now I'm going to do my third row. On my paper, that's where I'm going to copy. Look at your third row. Start with red color square. And this red color square tells you the value is 100. So that also reminds you, you started from the 100. That means you don't have unit. What do? Put a 0 to hold the space. You don't have tens. Also, put a 0 to hold the space. Unit, tens, 100. That is your 100 place. Therefore, your number 4 started to copy down at this place. Now, this is my fourth row. My fourth row started from the green again. This green color is not the same as this green color square because this green color square is your unit. This is your thousands. So what does that remind you? This is a 2000s. That tells you no unit, put a 0, no tens, put a 0, no 100 either. So put another 0. That 2 is started from your thousand place. Then continue to copy the rest of the number. When I finish, I put a plus sign. Now I am going to solve all my problem on the paper, and I will check with my final answer with the materials later. Start to find your units. Simply just adding those partial products together. You have an 8 plus zeros. The answer is still at 8. For these two numbers plus together is a 12. 6 plus 6 is a 12. Remember, 12. This is the way how you write down. 1 exchanging over, 2 stays down. Look at these numbers over here. 1 and 3 is a 4. 4 and 3 is a 7. 7 and 4 is an 11. 11 you write down as a 1 exchanging over, 1 stays down. 1 and 0 is still a 1. 1 plus 7 is an 8. 8 plus 2 is a 10. 10 plus 2 is a 12. How do you write your 12? 1 exchanging over, 2 stays down. The next place. 1 plus 1 is a 2. 2 plus 0 is a 2. 2 plus 8 is a 10. 10 plus 1 is an 11 again. So write down your 1. Exchanging, 1 stays. That's how your 11 should look like. The next place. 1 plus 2 is a 3. 3 plus 3 is a 6. 6 plus 9 is a 15. Write down your 15 like this way. That 1 tens needs to be exchanged. 1 plus 1 is a 2. 2 plus 6 is a 8. Alright, starting from your unit place, every three numbers, put a comma down to separate what? The families. Let's copy down our final answer. And from the unit place, 1, 2, 3, put a comma. 1, 2, 3, put a comma. And you say your final answer as 8,512,128. Let's check it out with our materials. All right. What do I do for the next step? I am going to slide all the numbers down to the bottom row. Keep on going to this square. Then what do I do? Turn every square, have only one ticket on it. Nothing needs to be changed. 6 plus 6 is a 12. And when you have a 12 look like this, remind yourself the tens needs to be exchanged. 3 plus 3 is a 6. 6 plus 4 is a 10. 10 plus 1 is an 11. 11, that 1 tens needs to be exchanged. 2 plus 2 is a 4. 4 plus 7 is a 11. 11 plus 1 is a 12. 12 plus 0, still a 12. Tens exchanged. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 again. Tens exchanged. 9, 10, 12, 15. Tens exchanged. 6, 7, 8. Let's check it with our work. Find the highest value. You have an 8, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 8. Exactly the same. So I know my answer is correct. That is how you do it.